Oh, greetings YouTube. So as you know, recently I've been posting videos about a cruise I went on, and part of that cruise I met a good guy called Lewis and became a good friend of his, and basically kind of reintroduced me back into DJing again. So it's probably been 6-7 years since I DJ'd, I guess commercially, if you want to call it that, but was a DJ before that for 32 years, not including the time when I was a teenager and used to do like village club discos and things like that. But I did, when I sold all the equipment 6 or so years ago, keep some behind just for doing parties in the house, karaoke, that kind of stuff, and it's kind of inspired me to get it back out again. So what we basically got here is a Pro Sound CD machine, changer, whatever you want to call it, Dew CD player. The Ultra Verb, is it? Yeah, Ultra Verb 2 is basically connected to the microphone, so when you're singing karaoke you can put effects on there and echoes and choruses and reverbs and things, just makes it sound a little bit better. And a VMX 1000 Behringer mixer, a professional mixer, which I've always got on well with Behringer, and that's the mixer. And then below it we have the Autograph Pro, which is the graphic equalizer, just takes some of the feedback out, takes some of the nastiness out, and of course the dual CD trays down there. And running it all is a M1000 amp from Inter-M, a slightly unknown make, but been very good, and something I've had for years, never let me down. So yeah, just basically just messing about with it, and I'm trying to get into the modern world. So this is actually my son's. I've borrowed it for now. It is a Pioneer, I forget the make of it now, DDJ-SR, which is connected up to my laptop, and I'm just installing Serato as well. Run it on Virtual DJ and just messing about with it. But yeah, interesting times. I'm not sure I'm going to get back into DJing again, but who knows? There may be the odd occasion where things come out. And by the way, there is some SoundLab speakers down there as well. Nothing too powerful. Again, it's a very small setup, something I just kept for doing in the house basically. And do apologise for the mess in the garage. Yeah, that's what garages are for, to be a mess. But basically that's what I'm doing at the moment, just messing about, getting myself acquainted with this little thing, and trying to get into the modern world, I guess. But who knows? In the future things may happen. Never say never. And just for the old school people, some people may recognise that. It still works. It's an Abstract Spectra. Yeah, the lighting effect that is probably 20-25 years old now. Yeah, old stuff still works well. There you go. That is my Sunday afternoon. Hope yours is a little bit more exciting than mine. Cheers YouTube.